guys, today we are going to talk about the English language. What is the benefit of English language? Why should we speak English? Yes, there are many questions in our minds. Let's try to find the answer of that questions. Many people think that English is very tough language. Why we learn English? It is not our cup of tea. Why? Because they think that we are not using language in our daily life. What English give to us? What is the benefit of English? I will tell you the benefits of English language. English language give you the opportunity to express yourself with others. English language give you to confidence with a talk with a foreigner. English language give you to opportunity to learn in other countries, to work in other countries, to work with a foreigner. And it's also help to share your knowledge with others. If you are living in India, so you have many optional language to talk with others. You should speak in a Marathi, Hindi or other language. But if you went to the another country, there is no language to talk to that people. There is one and only language which is known as English. So you should speak English very well. If you are a very gentleman person, you have a whole knowledge of the world about any Indian culture and other things. And if you want to share that knowledge with others, you share the knowledge. And if you are not able to speak English, you have a limit to share your knowledge. You must share knowledge with that person who will able to understand Marathi. Okay. But if you want to share your knowledge with the whole world, you should able to speak English. Because the English is the communication language of the world. Many of countries speak English and they will understand one and only English. This is necessary. You are very good in studies. Yeah, if you have many awards and first prize in everything. And if you are not able, there is your dream. That's I want to go and I want to learn in another foreign countries. And if you don't speak English, there is no cost of your knowledge. How can you? Yeah, you don't complete your dreams. If you want to go and learn from the another countries, you must be able to talk in English. It is necessary for us. English is a communication language. English is not a tougher language. We make it hard. Yeah, what is mean by English? English means what are you telling? It's getting to me. What I am telling, it's getting to you. Yeah, it's never mind what about your grammar. It is a later part, but you should try to speak English. If you are good in English, you should speak with any person. English helps to you. English gives you confidence. Talk with the foreigners. Yeah, many people are afraid to talk with the foreigners. If any foreigners come to near us, we just get afraid. Why? Because we don't know how to speak English. We are not getting English. Yeah, so what the people think about us, they are not getting well. And if you want to ask the questions about their cultures and other things, you will not getting that. You can't solve your questions because of you don't know English. Yeah, if you know English very well, you should ask any question about which is in your mind. Yeah, you can sort out your questions maybe. Why English? This is a reason. English language is very interesting. And it is a very easy language. If we fix to pick, it is very easy language. According to me, English is not a hard language. We should practice for that. Yeah, sometimes it's difficult. And if you first try you just give, you will be able to very well good in English. And if you know English, you are ready to talk with the whole world. Yeah, it's never mind to be. Yeah, if you went to the interviews, many of persons who are intelligent, they remove from the interviews. Because of why? Because they don't speak English. Because of their removal. Okay? If you know English very well, so you will be give interview with a confidence. The English also help to for increasing your confidence. That's why English is important. We must try to speak English very well. And if you know English, if you speak English, you should speak other languages, and you are ready to speak with the whole words with a confidence. Okay, thank you.